Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
In connection with the agitation and protest in the TCP department's office, Panjim police have registered 2 FIRs in this matter. In first FIR, Panjim police has named Viresh Borkar as accused number 1. Some known accused persons are also named in the FIR, and there are almost 20 villagers, unknown villagers of Sridham village who are named in the FIR. The first FIR has been registered for criminal trespassing in government office, intimidating and threatening the government servants and deterring them from performing the lawful duties and damaging the public properties. The second FIR has been registered by Panjim police, also names Viresh Borkar as accused number 1. There are some known and unknown accused person also in that FIR. This FIR mentions that accused persons during the protest in the TCP department office have allegedly committed theft of 10 files of TCP department. Investigation in these matters are going on. So far nobody has been arrested, but the Panjim police is contemplating whether to give notice to the accused persons under 35(3)(b) and SS to appear before the IO, because all the sections have punishment up to the 7 years or less. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.